Are you looking for the best Nintendo Switch gaming headsets? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best gaming headsets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. HyperX Cloud Alpha. HyperX is similar to brands such as Razer or Logitech and specialize in creating superb gaming gear for serious gamers. Each company offers different variants of gaming gear, from premium down to budget. Size-wise, for a gaming headset, the Alpha Cloud is a little on the smaller side. Also, its design is less striking and more subdued than many of its competition. The frame is constructed from aluminum and provides stability, while the ear cups are soft and comfortable and are wrapped with a matte finished vinyl. However, as with all vinyl earpads, you can expect some extra heat, but not so much that it can become uncomfortable. In terms of durability, all of the parts of the headset are removable, so easy maintenance and long-term use are basically guaranteed. The microphone, cable, and ear cups are easily replaceable if needed. But, unfortunately, HyperX doesn't include an additional pair of earpads in the box. Whether you're watching Netflix or YouTube, playing games, or just blasting your favorite music, the headset will always deliver stunning sound quality. It also delivers great noise isolation, and the daily hustle of life won't sneak its way into these headphones. Therefore, people passing by, chatting, or doors opening and closing will not be a distraction. Also, surprisingly, this headphone doesn't leak much noise, which is great if you're shooting away at zombies while your other half is sleeping. The microphone just about sounds fine. And the microphone suffers from the common issue of budget headsets, in that people with deeper voices might find that their voices sound different. At number 2. SteelSeries Arctis 1 headset. The SteelSeries Arctis 1 is a beast at the price range, and trades blows with headsets twice the price. And the biggest draw here isn't just the PS4 and Xbox support, but the fact that it also supports the Nintendo Switch, which, at this point, still doesn't have a lot of support from wireless headsets. The headset consists mainly of plastic, with a vinyl-wrapped foam headband and air-weaved earpads common with SteelSeries products. The earpads are super soft and stay cool, even during long gaming sessions midday. The headband is soft as well, and it doesn't clamp down so hard that it is uncomfortable, but provides enough grip that the headset never slides off by itself. The only issue is the ear cups themselves. They are a little shallow, so if you have big ears, you might experience some discomfort. The boom microphone is adjustable and stable, while the 2 provided dongles, a USB-C and USB-A, provide you with endless support. It works on all consoles, even the Switch. The stereo sound is great, and there is some good separation. Not as good as a decent pair of surround sound headphones, but forgiven at this price range. The frequencies are all well balanced and put some of the more premium headphones to shame. This means when you are gaming, you will find nothing sounding louder than it should. Gunfire and explosions will sound as loud as they were intended to, as will the rest of the game. It also means when you are on a voice chat, the sounds of the game won't interrupt or be louder than the person you're talking to. The microphone sounds good as well and is Discord certified. The isolation is average. The weaved earpads don't provide as much isolation as the vinyl earpads do. The headset charges with micro USB and lasted us just over 22 hours. At number 3. BENGOO G9000. BENGOO makes affordable headsets for gamers on tight budgets. It doesn't match the sort of quality you will get from SteelSeries or Turtle Beach, but why would you expect that at this price anyway? The G9000 is actually a great headset and surprised us. What's on offer here is a classic gaming design, all plastic, with very comfy memory foam earpads. The earpads are comfortable for hours on end and never felt uncomfortable while we were gaming. The headset even has non-customizable LED lights for that extra gamer street cred. The 40mm drivers sound fine for gaming. The bass is boosted, like most gaming headsets, and does cause quite a bit of audio masking. When an NPC is speaking with background music, we found the voices struggling to get through the loud instruments. If you're playing an FPS though, you won't have a problem hearing footsteps or gunshots. Stereo sounds alright, and we never had issues hearing in which direction the action was coming from. However, the sound profile does mean that music and movies don't sound that great. The microphone is decent. The retractable microphone sounds good when it's quiet, but struggles to isolate your voice in noisy environments. The good sound and price outweigh a lot of the negatives. A flimsy design and average microphone come with the price tag. At this price, BENGOO provide a really good pair of cans. At number 4. Audio-Technica ADH-ANC7B QuietPoint. The Audio-Technica ADH-ANC7B QuietPoint is the most expensive pair of headphones on this list. However, they are still very affordable for a pair of ANC headphones. The company redesigned the new version and upgraded both the build quality and the ANC quality. What you now get is a really great pair of headphones at a very reasonable price. The earpads are generously filled and super comfy. They are wrapped with vinyl, which does get a little warm after a while. The sleek matte black is great to touch and feels premium. The headset is well built and feels strong, but remains lightweight. The headphones sound great, as expected from Audio-Technica. You get a very well balanced sound from the 40mm drivers. Bass sounds tight and controlled. The mid frequencies are clear, with the vocals cutting through the instrumentation really well. The highs sound bright and has ample room to breathe due to great sound staging. The great thing is, this all translates well to movies and games as well. With a great sound stage, games sound surreal, and you can feel the ambience when exploring fields, caves, or forests. FPS games like Fortnite provide stellar examples of the great sound staging found on these headphones. Identifying where footsteps are coming from has never been easier. The active noise cancelling means not even the rumbling engines of an airplane will bother you.